Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to change font size now. Start in Settings. Tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size to reach the controls quickly. Once there, use the text size control to change system font across apps that support dynamic type. This is faster than changing each app. If you need bigger options, enable larger accessibility sizes. That unlocks a wider range. Make sure your device is updated so controls behave predictably, and pause to note current size so you can revert if needed. Now adjust the slider to dial in the precise size you want. You'll see many apps update immediately so you can judge legibility. If you prefer a shortcut, add the text size control to Control Center and toggle sizes without reopening settings. Remember that some apps ignore dynamic type. Check Mail, Messages, and Notes to confirm results. If an app doesn't change, check its internal font settings. Once satisfied, step away and use your phone normally for a few minutes to confirm comfort. Finish by testing across core apps and adjusting until reading is comfortable, then close settings. If changes don't apply, restart the iPhone to clear display caches and try again. Make sure apps aren't overriding dynamic type. Open an app's own settings if needed. If you still need larger type, enable bold text or use zoom for magnification. Both combine well with text size. One troubleshooting tip: if a third-party app shows tiny text, update the app or contact its support, because the issue is often app-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.